We are out here in the garage working on some projects today. We've been working on my Z, and something else I wanted to do was I recently picked up a brand new Porter Cable air powered cutoff tool, and as you can see, there is no fitting in it to make it made up to this fitting. So what we're going to do today is show you how to install this fitting so we can get air into it. So the first thing you want to do is apply thread tape to the threads, as you can see. Now in our previous video we discussed the differences between thread tape and thread sealant, but today we've chosen to use thread tape. Something you want to make sure of is make sure you go the right direction, because if you go against the threads when you thread it in, it's just going to booger up and come off. So once you get your thread tape on, you will go to the tool, thread it in. Then once it gets snug and tight, you'll go to a wrench. This one is a 14 millimeter, or there's standard one too. So tighten it down until you get it good and snug. Don't want to over tighten it. Good and tight. Now we will connect it to the air. Make sure it works and check for leaks. You will feel it hook in. Boom. Now we will check it for leaks and operation of the tool. So the step once you get everything put together is make sure the compressor is on, then connect it, then check for operation of the tool. As you can see and as you can hear, it's good to go. No leaks, no nothing. So now you know how to install air fittings on your air tools.